Good morning, welcome back. We are finally got the parts in for the sliding door for the pig barn, so we're going to be doing that today. These are the parts that we are waiting on. They're hangers. And so this here will mount up there and we'll have the door up in no time flat.
The installation's done, we'll just check the stops.
Well, it feels good to have the door up and the pig barn done and the the trees cut down, and then we just have to do the fencing. So I'm just gonna collect the eggs and let's see what we get today. Looks like we got 11 today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss any of our videos as we post them. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And the best thing you can do for us is share this video. Thanks. Take care.